Hi, everybody. So now we're going to do the next part of the probability unit, which is probability distributions and frequency tables. You'll see in the attached handout that there's a frequency table given. Frequency is just the number of times something occurs. So the table below shows the results of a soccer team's scores for games played this season. So that's saying on 4 times they got shut out, they got no goals. They scored 1 goal 7 different times, 2 goals 5 different times, and 3 goals 3 different times. All right, so to get number 1 that says how many games did the team play? Well, to get the total number of games they played, and we're going to need that for probability, we just add up all the frequencies. 4 plus 7 is 11, 5 plus 3 is 8, 11 plus 8 is 19. So number 1 would be 19 total games, so we're looking at C. Second question asks, what is the relative frequency of games with 1 goal scored? This is basically the same thing as probability. Relative frequency is the same as probability. So you look and see how many times they scored 1 goal, so that's 7, over the total number of games they played, which is 19. 7 over 19 is H, as in hippopotamus. All right, now what is the probability that this team scored 2 or more goals? So now we're going to do both of these columns because it's 2 or more. 5 plus 3 is 8. So now the top number is 8. The bottom number is 19. Since 19 is a prime number, we don't have to worry about reducing at any point. So number 3 would be B as in baboon. All right. Number 4, which expression can be used to determine the probability of scoring fewer than 3 goals? All right, well, scoring fewer than 3 goals would be all of these. So that's 4 plus 7, which is 11, 11 plus 5, which is 16. That'd be 16 over 19. Okay, but that's not in our answer. You have to make sure you read correctly and look at your answer choices first. You got to look at your answer choice and say, okay, how did we get 16 over 19 and which one of those matches up with that? And that would be F, as in Florida. All right, so that's relative frequency. It's very similar to probability. The last one, number 5, it says the relative frequencies of 2 of 3 possible outcomes are 1 over 2 and 1 over 3. What is the relative frequency of the third outcome? All the relative frequencies have to add up to 1. All right, so the 2 they give us are 1/2 and 1/3. So we add them up. All right, that gives us 5, 6. We take that away from 1 because they add up to 1, and 1 minus 5, 6 is 1, 6. All right, so it's connected to the unit we did yesterday, so hopefully you're fine. Message me with any questions as always, and have a good day.